Today I'm going to show you how you can set up keyboard shortcuts on your iPhone for things that you type frequently. Now to do this, you'll go into your settings, then select General, then scroll down to Keyboard, and then select Text Replacement. So let's go ahead and set up a shortcut for our email address. So click the plus in the upper right hand corner and type in your phrase, which is the phrase you want. So let's put in my email at gmail.com. And then our shortcut, that can be anything you want. So let's just type, let's just make it be EMA. Short, I guess, for email. And click Save. So now you can see that anytime we type in EMA, it should pop up and allow us to select our email address instead. Or there's another one in here, OMW, is on my way. So let's show you how that works. Let's go over to the Notes app here, and let's just type EMA. So when you do that, you can see one of the choices that pops up is my email at gmail.com. If we typed in OMW, you can see that the choice that pops up is on my way. So that's how you can set up these things that you type in frequently that are kind of long, that you don't want to take the time to type every time. You can set up these shortcuts. So hope this video helped. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.